Hello guys, I'm doing a Ratchet and Clank collection. So I'm going to do the first Ratchet and Clank, but this time I'm going to do a challenge mode walkthrough. I think the first one on YouTube. So let's start. Okay, so let's start. This is the one I already started a long time ago. It's been a long time since I used it, but so I'm gonna skip the cutscenes. That's where Clank came from. He was getting chased by robot battalions. Okay, so let's start, guys. See, I got everything here. This PDA and all the weapons. So I'm going to my quick select screen and I'm gonna put that right there, and let's try the Crocker way. Okay, let's go. Turn some into big chickens. I'll use my wrench a little bit. I do one planet a day, minimum. First time they met up with each other. That is Drek. He's a blarg from Orxon. I accidentally skipped something by accident, guys, so let's continue. I'm gonna do this level since Velden was just the tutorial level, at the starting level. So I'm gonna do this one since this is a real planet. that you can go back on. Okay. Right here is the room. This room will fall back to stuff. Of everything. See? First I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna try to tell you all the locations of the golden bolts. See if you guys can try to help me out a little bit. See where the golden bolts are. So, one golden bolt is up here. Well, the golden bolt is right over here. If any of you guys are beginners, the golden bolt should be right here. Right where I'm hitting. Oh wow. I think we could change to a thruster pack. If I can. Let me check. Yeah, I can't. I think. Yes, I can change to a thruster pack. From the water. Ah, I have to go back.
I said, look, the plumber.
I'm going to put the subtitles on.
And it has air.
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe? Mayday. This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack.
Big marks on the left and his agent on the right. Getting attacked by missiles. Info bot.
That guy on the left? That was Skid McMark. Does he know Captain Quark?
Planet Iridia. This is the inside world. Imagine if that was our planet. Imagine if that was our planet. We would have been in a state of chaos. It should be easy. Stupid thing, I wanna kill you. I wanna blow you up to bits. Row up battalions. They're easy to kill.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Another info bot. The Great. I will not say his name until we meet him. Well, some of you guys know who he is, but remember that name, Captain Quark. Evil. So he's a two-faced villain, or a two-faced, yeah, two-faced person.
You said it, pal. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grind, come to Al's RoboShack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's RoboShack, it's Quarktastic. Do you know what this means? Yeah, Captain Quark.
So we guys next on the next episode, we will be in Iridia. I'll see you guys later, and remember, rip ya a new one.